Swedish teenage girl rescued from ISIS by Kurdish Special Forces. She explains how hard her life was. A 16-year-old Swedish girl rescued from ISIS stronghold of Mosul last Wednesday after a special operation by Kurdish anti-terror commanders. She explaining how she came to be stranded in the terror group's so-called Caliphate of Islamic State. She has been transferred from ISIS Mosul to Erbil in Iraqi Kurdistan safely. She will be sent back to her home country in Sweden next 24 hours. Reported by Butin Kurdistani for our news agency. Here is exclusive interview.
And I started school when I was 7 years old, and I stopped school when I was around 14 years old. And when I stopped school, I met my boyfriend, and I met him in the middle of 2014. And first we was good together, but then he started to look at ISIS videos and started to speak about them and stuff like that. And I don't know anything about Islam or ISIS or something, so I didn't know what he meant, you know. And then he said he wanted to go to ISIS, and I said to him, okay, no problem, because I didn't know what ISIS mean, what Islam is, and nothing. So we started to traveling the 31 of May 2015, and we took the train from Sweden to Denmark, and from Denmark we took the train to Germany, and from Germany we took the train to Hungary through Slovakia, and from Hungary we took the train to Serbia, and from Serbia we get a lift on the roads. A man took us to Bulgaria, and from Bulgaria we took the bus to border of Turkey, and after that we crossed the border to Turkey, and from Turkey we took the bus to Gaziantep, and after that we crossed the border to Syria. And when we come to Syria, we took the ISIS took us in a bus with some other women and men to Mosul in Iraq, and after that I get my house, and in the house we didn't have anything, no electricity, no water, nothing, and it was totally different between I live in Sweden and here, because in Sweden we have everything, and when I was there I didn't have anything, no water, no electricity, and didn't have any money either, and it was really hard life. So when I had a phone, I started to contact my mom, and I said to her that I want to go home. So she contacted the Swedish authority, and the Swedish authority contact, I don't see. Now when I'm here in Erbil, I want to thank Security Council of Kurdistan region, and I want to thank them to send me back to Sweden and meet my family again and have a happy life. Zolbas. Away from city.